Oh, I just decided I'd do a little safety tech tip on a garage door panel protector to keep your fingers from accidentally sliding up in there. Somebody I know, a couple people I know, have got their fingers up in there over the years, and I figured out a way to cheaply guard that from happening. So what we do, just get you a roll of this duct tape, this aluminum ducting tape, air conditioning ducting tape, I guess is what it's called. It's a 4-inch wide roll I got in a yard sale, and what I'm going to do here is show you how to use this so you can make a little guard to keep your fingers from accidentally sliding up in a garage door when you're opening or closing, or actually when you're closing it. Okay. First thing you do, roll this thing out, and if it's a single door, typically what I'm using is a 4-foot piece of it. Just cut it off 4 feet. Then you're going to want to cut this one piece in half. This is going to end up being the part that doesn't have the sticky paper exposed. This is 4 inch, so we're going to cut it in half, 2-inch strips. Using your handy dandy razor knife here. Going to cut it in half. So what you got is a 2-inch wide strip. You got two 2-inch wide strips. Okay, you're going to use these to make 2 of these guard protectors. Okay, now take out another piece, 4 foot. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks good when you get done. Now you got one whole 4-foot piece. Now you hold that down with the, I'm just using a 4-foot level here, hold it down with. Then you take the 2-inch wide piece that you cut in half, get the backing off of that, can be a little bit of a pain. You take this strip and you put it down halfway on the back of the other piece of the 4-inch piece, and this is going to keep that bottom piece from sticking. It's going to be the flap. So if you can see what I'm doing here or not, I'll show you when I get all done. Not a real hard thing to do at all. Now what we've got now is a 4-foot strip, 4 inches wide. One side is got the tape on both sides so it won't stick. You only want one half of it to stick. And what I'm going to do now is take off the little paper here to expose the sticky part of the tape. Once again trying to get that loose, the pain. There it goes. Now what you're going to want to do is tear that like that and just rip that all the way down. Just carefully, just take your time. Take your time, you see it just comes right off nice and smooth. If it starts to go this way, it'll start to peel up. So just pull it in. Pretty easy to do. I have a little bit of it not be just exactly perfect, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. When you get all done, what you got is a sticky side right there on the back. You got a 4-inch piece of that. Only part of it's sticky. And what we're going to do is walk over to the garage door, and I'll show you why we're doing this. Now this is one that I've already got installed. It's just a little flap. I've got a few of them on this one already. This is a 2-car sized door. I'm going to open up this door and show you what happens when you open the door in your garage. Right here, you can see one here where your finger can easily go in there when you're closing that door. Right up here, your finger can go in there if it slips or you're not paying attention. You're groggy one morning. Now here's my little flap. Can't even hardly get your finger below it. The little flap pops down and it'll stay on there. That stuff is designed to stay in underneath the house for years without coming loose. That's pretty good stuff. You can get it at Lowe's, any hardware store. I believe it's just air conditioning ducting tape or just ducting tape. So what I'm going to do now is show you how I install that on there. Okay, let me close the door back down. Okay, now what we got here, once again, is a 4-inch wide piece of that ducting tape. On the back, we've taken a 2-inch strip and stuck it right on it so it won't grab. The other side is exposed, that's sticky. Now, take a rag with some alcohol on or something like that. Clean off that top surface that you're going to be sticking it to. It'll make it stick a lot better and forever. And then take that top section. Here's the sticky part. Take it like this. Line it up. It don't have to be absolutely perfect, but make it as close as you can. Make the top half of it stick to the top half of your door. It'll be very, very self-explanatory once you start doing it, so that flap won't touch it. Just take your time, kind of pat it in the middle so it won't buckle on you. Nice and smooth. And then smooth it out. Good. Press down on there, and that shouldn't come off. And that stuff lasts for years and years and years. Okay, now, when you open up your garage door, these little flaps keep you from getting your fingers up in here. You notice here's your fingers can go right in there. Fingers can't get in there. You can't hardly get that up. It stays off. When you're closing your door, if you reach up there accidentally, if it falls, your finger won't go in. I mean, that'll work. It'll save you a lot of pain and suffering. So that should do it. Let me know what you think about this and all these little accidents that can happen at home could really ruin the rest of your life. So just be careful. I really appreciate you watching and let me know what you think. Thanks so much.